Here's a new 2018 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, engine auto stop start feature, active grille shutters, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, aluminum wheels, rear wheel drive, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Built on tradition, built to last, Ford. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At Sam Pack's 5-Star Ford, every vehicle we sell is thoroughly inspected before you buy. Come see us today. We're conveniently located on the Northeast Loop 820 at Root Snow Drive in North Richland Hills.